Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up modules in Canvas. First, navigate to your course and click on the Modules tab in the Course Navigation menu. This is where you'll begin organizing all your course content. Modules help structure your learning path, making it easy for students to follow. They are essential for a clear and effective course design, ensuring a smooth educational experience for everyone involved. To create your first module, simply click the plus module button located at the top right of the modules page. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your new module. Choose a title that clearly indicates its content, like Week 1 or Introduction to Topic. You can also add prerequisites or requirements here, which control student access and progression through the course material. Once your module is created, it's time to add content. Click the small plus icon next to the module's title. From the drop-down menu, you can select various item types such as assignments, quizzes, pages, or files. You can either choose an existing item from your course or create a brand new one right there. This flexibility allows you to build rich and engaging learning experiences. After adding all your content, remember to publish both the individual items and the module itself so students can see them. You can easily reorder modules and items within them by simply dragging and dropping them into your desired sequence. This helps maintain a logical flow for your course. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. This ensures your course is well organized and ready for student engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.